fenix 5 Plus series. Download golf course information. Golf course information are preloaded on fenix 5 Plus series. Press Start button. Select Golf. Wait for GPS signal. Once GPS is detected, the device will display available course information. Select the course that you want. Select Yes to start a round. Note: the following instruction is only applicable on the Garmin device that has preloaded golf course information. If the device does not have preloaded golf course information, you will need to connect to Garmin Connect Mobile in order to download golf course information. Please watch another tutorial video to learn these steps: how to download golf courses with Garmin Connect Mobile.